Welcome to Monroe County's Finest. I'm Rick.
I'm Nate.
I'm Mike. And in today's video, we're going to start by cleaning this disgusting engine bay because it's pretty bad.
Oh, it's bad.
Yeah.
Very bad. We're also going to try to take care of this rat's nest of wiring because also pretty bad.
Yeah.
Cheers.
But I have a serious question for the two of you and, of course, for the people watching at home.
What's that?
Should we go with simple green, nice, pleasant smelling, environmentally friendly, I think?
It is.
Or
It is environmentally friendly.
do we go with the power? The purple power, God damn it.
Purple power it is.
Well, I want a nice color paint, dude.
Simple green it is.
Well, you heard him. Couldn't sound out myself.
We
I thought you were gonna go with purple power anyway.
Well, he's gonna go. I'd say put the purple power on the really greasy part.
Yeah, like that entire.
Like that cross member.
Cross
That's
members.
ugly.
Very
Just gotta zoom in on that.
huge.
Yeah.
And,
We'll show you guys in a split second.
And then I think you should rewash it with some simple green.
And there's that grimy cross member we were talking about.
Brand new,
Brand new.
as someone would say.
Right.
Oh, and by the way, Chad stopped by to say hi. Say hi, Chad.
Hi, Chad.
I was hoping you'd say that.
Ooh.
That looks high.
Oh.
That looks way high.
Oh. What was that?
It was a little bit harder than I thought.
What was it, though?
Wiring?
Oh, we didn't need that piece of wire.
No, we didn't.
Keep spraying, Mike. Makes the pain go away.
Lower back pain I've had is no longer there because it's all concentrated on the upper part of my ass cheek.
You know what?
Name was a miracle worker.
You're welcome.
Healed.
You're healed.
I believe we've been purple powered.
Purple powered.
And then I think we're gonna let this dry just a little bit, and then we're gonna spray her all down with some simple green to give it the natural cleanse that it deserves.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because it's definitely time to order some food.
That was gonna
yeah.
be my next statement. Where are we getting food from?
I want us to pick, and there's only one true diplomatic way to go and figure out who picks.
Holy shit! My God, he's right. Rock, paper, scissors.
Center.
Give me a minute.
What is there an X on the floor? Like an actual theater?
Nice marks the spot.
He was scared as hell. He thought you were gonna do that.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh no! It's really clean under this truck. Oh. Oh, leave me alone. Don't touch me. Get away from me. Oh my God. Oh, no. Go away.
I'm so sorry, Mike.
No, this is so bad. Oh, it's so bad. All right, I'm ready.
He's gonna be so skittish now for the rest of the day.
I'm ready. Hold on. All right. I gotta let him free hang. I can't stand him straight. I'm ready. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, good. Yeah, you both picked that because I was like,
You lost.
You lost. You're
all right,
petty.
you two.
No, you lost overall.
Which means, no, you guys got to decide who wins.
No, it's the loser.
The loser picks?
The loser
So
picks.
technically I won, because I wanted to pick.
You wanted to pick. Why didn't you just pick?
Because you guys, I thought, wanted to pick.
You could have saved my left testicle for the
We
longest
could
time.
have saved it.
Rick is now gonna go and start tackling the wiring mess that we have over there.
Yeah.
And that it is.
I mean, really.
Hey, while we got your attention, I think you should like this video.
You should also subscribe and rev the hell out of the bell.
And please feel free to comment down below and share this video. Cheers to that.
Cheers. Let's get some work done.
Absolutely.
This was their splices. I don't know if they can see that on camera.
Here, let's get in on that.
We're just gonna put a little electrical tape and twist some wires together.
That was their splices.
That was their splices.
And then we also have mystery wires, which is this wonderful purple to black wire right here. That's just running along.
Over to the battery for some reason?
Yeah, over to the battery. And what it's controlling, I'm not entirely sure.
Not a clue.
There's a splice hanging in front of the trans.
Yeah, that's for the distributor. Oh, it not only is it spliced once, but it's spliced twice and has a... Oh no, this is alternator, I'm sorry.
Oh.
Spliced twice. I thought it was this one. This is a distributor. That doesn't look so healthy either.
Nope. So, needless to say, we have our work cut out for us.
Yeah.
And if we come across anything that is weird or very unusual compared to what we already have going on, we'll let you guys know then too.
So as you can see, we now have wires. Let me see if I can zoom in here.
I have every faith you can zoom in, buddy.
We have red wire goes to green wire. White with blue stripe goes to tan wire. Oh, wait. Here comes a dark brown wire to a white wire. Red to blue, blue to green, green to red, brown to white. This wire that starts out, we believe, black and yellow back there, goes to a heavier gauge red. Oh, look at that splice too. That's nice.
Brand new. I got this thing.
I don't think now that I look at this, Mike, none of these, this whole
Match?
cluster, none of them match. Not a single one. Yeah, it just keeps getting better. Keeps getting better, Mike. Keeps getting better.
Makes me really question my decision.
Oh no, we'll fix her up. What do we got? We're back again.
Yeah, I finally figured out what most of these relays are. Actually, all the relays. They are for, we have our map sensor, because this was actually a fuel-injected engine that was originally in this car.
You fooled me.
Yeah. So we had our map sensor, we had our electronic spark control, we had cooling fan relay, we had our, what is it? Hood louver vacuum switch. We have a...
Oh, that's for if it had the original hood on it with the one scoop. Little.
I really
came
like
up.
that hood. Makes me really want to put one back on it.
Yeah, well, it wouldn't have worked because it's disconnected.
a throttle kicker relay and a fuel pump relay. It's getting a little late for us, so we're gonna take a break. However, this is just gonna be the middle of the video for you guys. So in a split second, it's gonna be a new day for us.
We're gonna get in the time machine.
We're gonna
We're just gonna fast forward. Poof. We'll be new people in a new spot.
And maybe my right testicle won't hurt as much.
All right, found the time machine. It's in the future. We're present. I don't know.
Future, present?
Future, present.
For them. But
Presently future?
Presently, future. Okay.
I don't know. Sounded good.
But it's a new day for us, and we're gonna be working on it a little bit more today.
That is correct.
back to these
atrocious wires.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll cut those out, and we'll figure out what we're gonna do with that.
Yeah, we're gonna let that go for now after you cut them out, but we'll figure something out. I'm sure.
We
We may or may not have a new harness on the way.
So that's why we're not really tackling it right
Yeah, pretty promising that I found a guy that has a harness he's willing to part out and ship to me. So that's a plus.
A lot of things happened on that futuristic trip.
I like to keep it a little bit more.
Don't mind the messy shop.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like to keep it a little modest.
A little modest.
A nice, good, proper sized can of paint.
Yeah, well, hold on. Let's. I don't know if they can see it back here, but this is a real can of paint. I mean, look at that bad boy. That
the turbo.
the turbo.
Yeah, and here's what I'm going to be using.
That's a cute little can you got there.
It's average.
It's the girth that matters.
Yeah.
All right, let's get the primer. Oh, that's the primer. So you get the primer. Get the primer.
A lot of hard work's been put in, but I think we got some progress done here. We got the engine bay all cleaned out. We got some primer put down. It makes it look all rusty, but it's rust primer, so I guess that's natural.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We got rid of. I'm just gonna go off camera and get this thing out. We're gonna make it look nice before we put it back in there.
Mhm.
We also have a chance, it's still up in the air, we still have a chance that we might have a replacement
Yes.
because if possible, we don't want to go and mess with the whole bunch of slices that happened already.
Yeah.
If we could get a factory replacement, we're going to go with the factory replacement.
Agreed. Yep.
This is Monroe County's finest. I'm Nate.
I'm Mike.
I'm Rick.
Cheers.
Cheers. Till next time.
Let's go home.
Yep.